This is an addendum to our acceptance video on the RPS rhythm. All the parts have been added to the machine that were not in the first original video. Start with a walk around the machine, and I'll show you the new shocks are also in on the front cover. The pot has been emptied. You can see it through that hole there. Cleaned out. See if it's empty in there. Empty. You can see the bottom right there. Well, at least we can leave this up. Here's the front bezel. It's off right now, but you can see the new belts are on. In this video, we're going to show the machine transferring boards, which we did not do in the original video, since there were no the belts needed to be replaced. Manual. Okay. I'm going to run a program and transfer a board in.
We're going to show the full SPMA communication cycle. So right now, if I push this button, that will simulate a board available from the previous conveyor. When I do that, the belts turn on, and now the solder machine is calling a board. That's what the red light is. Light goes off because it has a board. It's going to transfer into the stops. Now the width is coming in to clamp the board. Spray flux on the first joint. I'm going to do a drop jet flux on the second set of joints. And then we're going to simulate the pot coming up. Board goes to the end. We have a board available signal now, which is the green light. That's the solder machine telling the next conveyor that it has a board that's ready to come out. The next conveyor will ask for the board, which is this button here. And out it comes.
Okay, that's our demonstration. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.